Okay, here we go. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. Okay. 4 years, I've battled with body image issues, my mindset, and the endless cycle of trying to get healthy. What if, in just 1 year, a simple daily habit could completely transform your life? That's the journey I'm about to start. And if that's something you're also looking for, I'd love for you to join me. I'm Sherry, and I created this space to document my experiences as I embark on a 52-week wellness walking journey. Yeah, 52 weeks. 1 whole year. Here's the plan: to create and maintain a habit of daily walking, even if only 10 minutes a day. To walk my way to better health, better mental health, consistent wellness, and healthy weight management, whether that's losing some pounds or more than a few pounds, or maintaining my weight once I reach my sweet spot. So, I'll start out very small, almost like I'm a beginner all over again. And there'll be weekly check ins and progress updates and build up from there. My goal is to inspire sustainable habits and a positive relationship with movement, remembering that a healthy mindset always comes first. This journey isn't just about the literal steps I'm going to take. It's also about building a community where we can share our challenges and celebrations, discover new ways of making walking fun and effective, and explore how movement impacts our mental and emotional well being. So, I'll be diving into everything from addressing motivational slumps and walking in all kinds of weather. Believe me, I have stories about that. To finding joy in movement and building a healthier relationship with our bodies. I've got the building of the actual exercise all mapped out in a calendar, but I also want to keep in mind that there may be times when I need to be flexible and make adjustments, whether because of bad weather, super busy schedule, injury, illness, or some unplanned, unexpected, who knows what. You just never know. So it's important to me not to turn this into a super strict, must follow this perfectly or I've failed mindset. Sometimes you need to be flexible. Sometimes you need variety. Sometimes you need to give your body a rest. Why do this now and start in the middle of the year? Because it's summertime and I want to get out more and enjoy the sun while I can. I did not do that enough last summer, and so that's been on my mind. What else? Because I'd like more energy. I'd like to feel good in my body, improved cardiovascular system, flexibility, strength, endurance, and just feel better in my skin. I want to feel healthier and sleep more soundly. I want to be able to take stairs with more vigor. I want to be able to dive in when opportunities arise rather than letting fear hold me back because of my weight. And that's a whole topic unto itself. Yeah. And I'll get into that another time. There are lots of experiences I'd like to have, things I'd like to try. Weight shouldn't stop me from trying all sorts of things, but sometimes it does. I want to let go of that. I don't want to hold myself back from enjoying my life, whatever my size or abilities. And neither should you. At the start of this year, I decided my word of the year was going to be transform. Not just physically, though. I wanted to transform many different areas of my life. I'll create another video talking about some of the ways I started to do that. It's actually been pretty fun. This walking project is essentially the physical portion of that transformation process. And you have to start somewhere. So, for me, that will be a 28-day fresh start where I behave like a total newbie, start very small, just 10 minutes a day, and build from there. Which seems really basic, but again, you have to start somewhere. And the main concentration for me is to build this back up to a daily habit like I used to have once upon a time. So that's the plan. If you want to participate, I've included a link in the description below. It's a free PDF of the Fresh Start first 28 days all mapped out. And once I get closer to the end of the first 28 days, I'll send out a new free PDF of month 1 of the 52 weeks journey, then month 2, etc. And you'll receive that if you sign up, obviously. I hope it's not annoying to split it up like that, but it's mainly so that I don't rush things when I'm not physically ready yet, and so that I keep my focus on the current month, the current week, current day, and not get ahead of myself or worry. If I'm already anticipating month 3 and I'm only on week 1, that can make things so daunting and mentally exhausting. It's anxiety ridden kind of behavior, adding it where I don't need to. You know what I mean? I want to be more in the moment and enjoy it rather than stressing about what challenges might be to come. No catastrophizing. So, if this is a journey you'd like to join me on, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Share whatever you're comfortable with. I welcome you to join me on this journey or just hang out and watch me go through it. But if you do join me, pardon the pun, we will do it one step at a time. Thanks.